Chapter 1.3 Solving equations with variables on both sides. Example number 2. Solve 3 times 5x plus 2 equals 15x. We can solve this particular equation with two methods. Method number 1, where we are going to apply distribution property. We are going to multiply 3 inside the parentheses. So 3 times 5x and 3 times 2. 3 times 5x is 15x plus 6 equals 15x. Now we are going to bring the variables on one side and numbers on the other side. And we are going to subtract 15x so that we can bring the variable on the other side. By doing that, we can see that the variable is cancelled from the equation. So there is no variable left in the equation. Now we are going to see if 6 equals 0 is true or false. So we know that the 6 is not equal to 0, so it's going to be false. Whenever we get the false result at the end, we're going to say there is no solution to this problem. And the other method is that where we are going to divide 3 on both sides to cancel the 3. So to divide 3 on both sides, you get 5x plus 2 equals 15 divided by 3 is 5x. And then again we are going to bring the variables on one side, so we're going to subtract 5x on both sides so that the variable is cancelled and we are only left with 2. So with that operation we are going to see that variable is cancelled from the other side as well. Again we are going to see if 2 equals to 0 is true or false. So 2 is not equal to 0, so we are going to say this is a false result. It's not true, so it's going to be giving you no solution. Look at the other problem where we have solved negative 2 times 4y plus 1 equals negative 8y minus 2. So we are going to apply the distribution property here. So we are going to multiply the 2 inside. Now since 2 is negative, so we are going to multiply the negative 2 with 4y. We are going to get negative 8y. Negative 2 times 1 would give us negative 2 equals negative 8y minus 2. If you notice, you can see that negative 8y minus 2 equals negative 8y minus 2. They both sides are equal. But we cannot stop here. We have to cancel the variables and then see if the two results are equal to each other. So which means that applying the opposite operation to cancel variable, you're going to add 8y on both sides. And when you do this operation, you're going to get negative 2 equals negative 2. At the end, you're going to see if the two sides are going to be equal to each other or not. We can see that negative 2 is exactly equal to negative 2. So we can see that the result is true. And whenever you get the true result, you're going to say that you have many solutions. So you're going to have many solutions for this result. Or you can also write all real number as your solution.